nagsulat sa dilim ng dayuhan. Ngayon kami ang tinig ng mga naiiwan. Rizal fought with a pen. We fight with our knowledge, action, and unity for our modern heroes abroad.
My mother works 12 hours on abroad to feed us here. Rizal words taught me silence is betrayal.
I want to work abroad but not like this, mistreated and unpaid. Rizal wants dignity, so do we.
Ang hindi marunong mo sa pinagalingan. Rizal didn't say that for history. He made it for every Filipino, abroad and at home.
Ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Pero pag ang bayan ay lumuluma, tayo ang dapat kumilos. Rizal studied the law of colonizers. We studied the law to protect the workers they forget.
Art is resistance. Jose Rizal wrote Noli Me Tangere and Filibusterismo. But today, we use murals, memes, and the media.
Hindi lang isang bayani sa libro.
Rizal